Hi, my name is Kate Powell and I'm an attorney practicing immigration law. Today I would like to talk about asylum. Asylum is one of the ways how you can immigrate to the United States. So, in order to qualify for asylum, you have to be persecuted by the government of your home country based on one of the protected grounds, including political opinion, membership in a social group, or race, and other reasons. So today I would like to give you an example of a recent asylum case handled by our law office that was successful. The applicant came from Ethiopia and he was persecuted by the government of his country based on political opinion. He was physically harmed, he was tortured, he was hit with heavy sticks, and he came to the United States to request asylum. When he came to the port of entry, he asked the officers that he's seeking asylum, and he was placed in detention, and after that he retained the services of our law firm. During our initial meeting, we took his notice to appear that contains all the relevant information about his case. We interviewed him and asked him all the facts about his case, and we determined that he could qualify for asylum. We took his case and we presented him for medical and psychological evaluations in order to help the immigration judge to issue a decision in this particular case. The medical doctors and the psychologists both examined our client, and they determined that he was physically harmed and he still had particular issues associated with his health. We helped the client with the declaration, and we made sure that the client understands that he should be consistent in his declaration and his further testimony before the immigration judge. The client outlined all the events that led him to apply for asylum in the United States, and we clarified with the client all the issues and inconsistencies that we saw regarding his story, and the client was able to explain everything to us, and we helped the client to put everything in a format that would be understandable and that would lead the immigration judge to grant asylum in this particular case. Further, we conducted multiple interviews of the client and prepared him for the testimony before the immigration judge. And on the day of the trial, everything went well. The client was not nervous because the client was well prepared and the client was consistent. It is very important to be credible and to explain your story in such a way that is understandable, and the client was prepared for the cross-examination by the government attorney, and in the end, the client was granted asylum. Once asylum is granted, the person can stay in the United States for a year, and after a year, the person can apply for the green card. Within this first year, the person can already apply for work authorization and can start actually working from the first day when he is granted asylum. Work authorization card is not necessary for the person to start working. However, it is the evidence that he is eligible to work. After asylum is granted, you can also apply for social security number, for state ID cards, and for other documents that you may need. We would be happy to explain to you more about the asylum application, and if you want more information, please visit our website at www.h1b.biz. Thank you.